Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace a vinyl tile in your floor. With a damaged tile like this, the trick is that you want to use a sharp utility knife to go around the perimeter of the tile. The idea is that you want to loosen any adhesive that's holding that tile in place and then kind of work up an area and then get underneath it with a stiff bladed scraper, and you want to scrape up that tile. Be careful. It's a good idea if you want to wear some gloves, because the tile, especially if it's older, can be very hard and sharp, and you don't want to hurt your hands while you're scraping. And you're going to work that scraper up to pop that tile out of that space. Now, with the new tile that you're going to replace, it should fit into place. But before you do anything, just place it there, make sure it's going to fit. Use that utility knife and that sharp scraping blade to get all the old adhesive out of the area and get it as clean as possible. Maybe you want to use a little shop vac or some type of vacuum to pull up any of that debris. Then place that tile inside, push down, apply some pressure on there, so some heavy books or a can of paint to kind of hold it in there for about 24 hours, and that's it. We've got a lot more information for you when it comes to your home and recipes. Just click the subscribe button right here.